Hi Keto Nation! Welcome to this video. Ngayon pag-usapan natin about dito sa isang AI image and video generator na ang pangalan ay Talking Photo AI. No, sasagutin natin dito sa video na to kung worth it nga ba ang tool na ito. Ano nga ba yung Talking Photo kung bago mo pa lang itong narinig? So, ang Talking Photo AI ay isa pong AI-powered tool kung saan binibigyan ito ng animation style ang isang image sa pamamagitan ng pag-add ng realistic lip-syncing at facial movement based sa iyong custom voice-over o text-to-speech script. Ano ba ang main features ng Talking Photo AI? Once na meron ka ng account dito sa Talking Photo, once na mag-create ka ng video, pipili ka po dito ng video type katulad ng human video, 2D o 3D cartoon video, o fantasy animal video, singing and dancing video. Okay. Kung pipili mo tong human video, pipili ka ng ratio. Okay? Pwede kang pumili kung meron ka ng character na nagawa, pwede mong piliin yan dito. Pero dahil wala pa tayong character na nagawa, create muna tayo ng new character. Okay? So, dito, pipili ka kung male or adult or child. Then, pwede mong ilagay dito yung mga face na gusto mong gawin. Katulad, sabihin natin, face swap. Lagay natin dito. Select. Then, ilalagay mo lang dito ay example. Then, pwede ka maglagay dito ng negative prompt. Yung negative prompt, ito yung mga ayaw mong makita. For example, ayaw mong nasa gitna yung character. Gusto mo nasa left or nasa right. Sasabihin mo lang na dapat wala dito sa gitna or wala sa right kung gusto mong nasa left. So, parang ganon yung negative prompt. Pero kung okay na ako dito, click lang natin generate. So, ngayon, nakapag-create na tayo ng character. Click lang natin yung next. Then, pipili ka dito ng motion. Piliin lang natin to. Then, click next. Then, dito pipili ka kung anong language, Filipino. Try natin to Filipino. Then, pipili tayo ng boses. Then, dito, pwede mong baguhin yung speed, yung pitch, kung gusto mo ng matinis, kung gusto mo ng mababa, okay? Pero dito lang natin, example lang naman natin to. Lagay tayo ng script. Once na okay na yung script mo, click mo lang itong import speech. Then, pakinggan lang natin.
Sa bawat araw, maraming pagkakataon para matuto.
Ngayon, kapag okay na yon, nagawa mo, click lang natin tong next. Then, lalagay mo lang dito ng project. Lagay natin example. Then, click render video. Makikita mo yung na-rendered na video dito sa my video. Click lang natin yan. Then, hintayin natin itong final video, kapatid. Then, kapag tapos na, play mo lang, tingnan mo kung okay.
Sa bawat araw, maraming pagkakataon para matuto at magbago. Minsan, kailangan lang natin maglaan ng oras para pahalagahan ang mga maliliit na bagay.
So, pag hindi ka happy doon, pwede ka mag-create ng panibago. Like, for example, human, then choose mo lang yung character, then select. Pipili ka lang ng motion, then click next. Then, import mo lang to. Then, next mo lang, example 2, then rendered video. So, kapag okay na, tingnan natin.
Sa bawat araw, maraming pagkakataon para matuto at magbago. Minsan, kailangan lang natin maglaan ng oras para pahalagahan ang mga maliliit na bagay. Ang isang simpleng paglalakad sa parke, ang pag-usap sa isang kaibigan.
So, ito yung example once na ginamit mo yung human video. Okay, so marami pa kapatid, pwede ka mag-create ng cartoon video, mag-create ka ng character sa pamamagitan ng prompt, okay? Pwede ka mag-create ng fantasy or animal video, pwede kang mag-create ng singing and dancing video. Example naman ng animal video, ito kapatid.
Hi there, I'm Rocco. Your friendly time.
So, pwede ka mag-create ng ganyan. Then, pwede ka rin mag-create dito kung sabihin natin na scene by scene, meron kang na-create na video, pwede mong immerge yan dito. So, pwedeng humaba yung video mo ng sabihin natin gusto mong umabot ng 8 minutes, mga ganon. Pwede dito. Pwede ka din mag-add ng subtitle. Example, nandito.
Hi there, I'm Rocco. Your friendly time-traveling raccoon.
Then, pwede ka rin mag-add ng watermark o pwede ka rin pwede mo rin i-replace yung background. For example, ito, click natin, then pipili ka ng background dito sa, sabihin natin dito, okay? So, pwede mong palitan yan ng background dito. Example, meron ako dito na ito yung original na scene.
Our first stop, the island of...
Ito naman yung pinalitan kong background.
Our first stop, the island of Mauritius.
Example lang yung kapatid. Kung naghahanap ka ng isang AI-powered tool sa pag-create ng video, especially kung ang gagawin mong content ay for educational, storytelling, business, presentation, at tutorial, masasabi ko na ang Talking Photo AI ay isang magandang tool para dito. Isa lang ang hindi ko nagustuhan dito dahil limited lang ang full body at side angle movement, especially sa fantasy at animal video. Pero kung pag-uusapan natin yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, ay beginner-friendly ang Talking Photo AI. Isa sa mga pinakamabilis rin na mag-render ng video ang tool na ito at ideal ito para sa mga gustong maging faceless content creator. At hindi katulad sa ibang mga AI-powered tool, ito po ay merong lifetime access sa ngayon. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo itong gamitin ng unlimited dahil ito ay one-time payment lang kasama dito yung mga future updates. So kung naghahanap ka ng magandang AI-powered tool na merong pong realistic facial animation at lip sync, sa tingin ko, worth it ito para sa'yo. Pero kung naghahanap ka ng mga high-end custom animation o full body avatars, sa tingin ko, hindi ito para sa'yo kasi marami pong mga maganda pa kaysa dito. Ang pagkakaiba lang, mas mahal ang babayaran mo buwan-buwan. Okay? Pero kung gusto mong makita kung ano yung kayang gawin ng Talking Photo AI, gumawa ako ng educational video content para dito. So, panoorin mo to.
Hi there, I'm Rocco, your friendly time-traveling raccoon. I've explored ancient ruins, sailed prehistoric oceans, and now I'm here to tell you about 5 fascinating animals that sadly no longer walk the earth. But don't worry, we'll meet them all in the past. Ready? Let's fire up the time gears. Our first stop, the island of Mauritius in the 1600s. Meet the dodo, a big flightless bird, about 3 feet tall and kind of chubby. The dodo had no natural predators until humans arrived. They were hunted for food, and their eggs were eaten by rats and pigs that came with ships. Sadly, by 1681, the dodo was completely gone. It became one of the earliest known examples of human-driven extinction, and we're just getting started. Let's jump even further back in time for our next extinct giant. Behold, the mighty saber-toothed tiger, also known as Smilodon. These big cats weren't just fierce, they were legendary. Their fangs were over 7 inches long, built to hunt huge Ice Age creatures. But when the climate changed and food became scarce, they couldn't adapt. Between competition and starvation, they disappeared around 10,000 years ago. Alright, time to stomp over to the next frozen superstar. Meet the woolly mammoth, a giant relative of today's elephants. Covered in thick fur and armed with long, curved tusks, they were perfectly built for cold weather. They roamed across the northern hemisphere, but vanished due to climate change and overhunting. A few even survived on a remote island until just 4,000 years ago. Crazy, right? But let's waddle from land to sea and meet a bird that couldn't fly, but swam like a pro. This here is the great auk, like a giant penguin from the North Atlantic. It was an amazing swimmer, using its wings to fly underwater. But sadly, they were easy targets for hunters who wanted their meat and feathers. They didn't reproduce fast enough to bounce back. The last known pair was killed in 1844. Another silent goodbye from the wild. Now, let's travel to Australia and meet one of the strangest creatures ever to be misunderstood. Here's the thylacine, or Tasmanian tiger. It looked like a dog with tiger stripes, but it was a marsupial. Sadly, it was wrongly blamed for killing livestock and was hunted to extinction. The last one died in captivity in 1936. Some people still claim sightings today, but there's no proof. It's a powerful example of how fear can lead to extinction. And that wraps up our time-traveling animal adventure. Phew, that was quite the journey, huh? These animals may be gone, but their stories are still here to teach us. Let's protect the animals we still have today, before they become history too. Want more time travel animal facts? Hit subscribe, and I'll see you somewhere in the past.
Ngayon, kung gusto mong gamitin ang Talking Photo AI, mag-iiwan ako ng link sa description ng video na ito. Pwede ka mag-avail ng one-time payment lalo na naka-discount ngayon ang tool na ito. Kasi hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan ang discount at hanggang kailan yung one-time payment, especially kapag dumating na yung mga bagong features ng Talking Photo AI. Ngayon, ikaw naman yung tatanungin ko, kapatid, ano yung masabi mo sa Talking Photo AI? Masabi mo ba na ito ay isang magandang tool para sa faceless content creation? Sa tingin mo ba nakikita mo na worth it ito base sa pinag-usapan natin ngayon? O masasabi mo na sakto lang? So comment po sa baba ng video na to kung ano yung sagot mo sa tanong natin para malaman ko rin kung ano yung opinion mo about dito sa pinag-usapan natin. So dito na tatapos ang topic natin ngayon. Hanggang sa muli, I'm Neil Llanto. Bye-bye!